free Toyotas, including some of our top models. Or get 3.99% APR financing on pre-owned certified Toyotas. Shop online anytime at EnvisionToyotaOfMilpitas.com or in person where the 880 freeway and the Great Wall Parkway meet. Call 855-973-2594 for details. Honda of Milpitas, kicking off our fall savings event with a special lease for a 2022 Civic Sport Sedan for only $229 per month for 36 months. Or choose 1.9% financing for 48 months on a new 2022 Honda Passport or Pilot. Your choice. Make the right decision with Envision Honda of Milpitas. Call 855-996-2274 for details. Hi, John Henry with the Henry Union Square Hotel in the heart of San Francisco. Had a rocky week? Then come to the city and visit our rock. Don't wear a shirt with black and white stripes, as they may make you smash rocks in the yard. Play it safe and wear orange and black and head to the ballpark and watch our team take no prisoners. Do you need a drink over the rocks to handle your kids? Visit the aquarium by the bay at Fisherman's Wharf. You don't have to hold your breath underwater, and you'll see the fish close enough to kiss. Talk about a rocky relationship. Keep on rocking and book the KCBS special at the Hamlet. You'll get a deluxe room with parking, 10% off a city tour with Big Bus, 10% off a bay cruise with Red and White Fleet, 20% off at Cafe Mason, only steps from our hotel. Call now, 800-995-HUSH. That's 800-995-HUSH. And stay with us while you rock on in the city.
1-877 Cars for Kids. K-A-R-S Cars for Kids. 1-877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today. 1-877 Cars for Kids. K-A-R-S Cars for Kids. 1-877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today.
Donate your car today at carsforkids.org. Your car, running or not, can be picked up as soon as the next day. No title, no problem. Call 877-CARS-FOR-KIDS or go online at carsforkids.org to donate today.
1-877 Cars for Kids. K-A-R-S Cars for Kids. 1-877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today.
Now accepting donations of land, homes, buildings, or any kind of real estate.
Time for a check on traffic and weather together at 7:38. Let's see what Kim Wonderly has cooking over there in your local Honda dealer's traffic center.
It's been challenging. There's some better news regarding a couple of our long-standing problems. So last time I told you that northbound 17 lanes are back in play after this overturned crash has been cleared coming into Los Gatos near the Katz restaurant. Yeah, it's cleared, but the traffic, it's really stacked up all the way back from the summit. That's a trip you don't want to take if you don't absolutely have to. It'll be a while before we recover on northbound 17, but lanes are open. So if you've been trapped in that considerable queue, it's better news for you as you start to moving just a little bit, inching it away at a time here. Also, a crash that we've had on northbound 280 has been cleared. This was on the Peninsula North 280 after El Monte, Los Altos Hills. Lanes have reopened after an overturned crash has been cleared off to the side, but we have very slow traffic here for several miles, well before you even get to the Magdalena exit. We're seeing the very slow traffic here, but that's starting to loosen up. Northbound 680, that's still closed. North 680 Sonol at Highway 84, big rig accident since 3 o'clock this morning. Traffic is still being taken off and put onto eastbound 84. On the westbound side of 84, just getting word of a crash near Vallecillos. We'll see how that one fans out. And then also on the Central Freeway, or excuse me, on the Richmond side of the East Shore Freeway, West 80 near Central Avenue, there's a homeless encampment fire. You may see the fire department blocking that ramp temporarily to get a handle on this West 80 at Central. Your next update, 7:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS. Partly to mostly sunny skies expected throughout the afternoon today. Highs today getting into the 60s to the low 80s. Traffic and weather sponsored by Water Heaters Only, and we've got traffic and weather together on the 8th On All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Running out of hot water? Might be time for a new water heater. Visit waterheatersonly.com. Quick 5-star rated service, friendly local technicians, low prices, and 0% deferred interest financing. Visit waterheatersonly.com. Terms and conditions apply.
You're the one who protects the flock, and that requires an eye for detail. Because when safety and well-being are on the line, it's the details that can save lives. Even when no one else is watching, you see everything. Granger gets you, and we're here for you, and all the ones who get it done with a wide range of safety products and solutions, plus board-certified safety consultants here to answer your questions. Call, click Granger.com, or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
It's Chevy truck season, and Chevy offers a full lineup of trucks and accessories, which means it's the perfect time to find the truck for you and make it your own. Make your Silverado bolder with a sport bar and bed liner. Make your Colorado brighter with perimeter bed lighting. And make your Silverado HD more secure with a tonneau cover. So whether you want added capability or to add your own style, your Chevy dealer can help you find the right Chevy truck and accessories for you to make the most out of truck season with a $1,000 accessory allowance towards a purchase or lease of a new Chevy truck with eligible accessories. Find new roads at your local Chevy dealer. Must take new retail delivery of a 2021-2022 Silverado 1500, Silverado HD, or Colorado with eligible GM or associated accessories by 10/3/22. Accessory purchase must be equal to or more than $1,000 MSRP. Excludes tax and installation, not available with some other offers.
KCBS News Time 742. With more news now, here's Eric.
Well, California still has some work to do in order to meet its goals to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. KCBS's Kathy Whitman reports emissions at large power plants and refineries actually went up in 2021.
California has the most sweeping environmental laws in the nation, with the goal of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by the year 2045. The latest report from the U.S. EPA shows that those emissions actually went up in 2021 from the year before. The biggest culprit? Refineries and power plants. But UC Berkeley Energy Professor Daniel Kamen says that's about to change.
We're expanding our onshore wind and solar right now, so I expect that the market share for these natural gas plants to be eaten into steadily. But the new big player is going to be the growth of California's offshore wind industry.
Kamen says he's hoping traditional power plants will be phased out by 2035, 10 years before the mandate.
We're going to need all the clean energy resources coming online, because California's demand does continue to grow. And we've seen during the heat wave crisis we had last month, we're going to need more firm green capacity.
He says for California to meet those new standards, we need to
get rid of these polluting fossil fuel plants that are often...
Watch out! Fog reported ahead.
...with clean energy facilities.
Kathy Whitman, KCBS. The Sharks have gotten their first win of the season. We'll get an update in sports in just over a minute. KCBS News Time 743.
Is your backyard a mess? Eager to have friends and family over for a barbecue, but are embarrassed about the condition of your yard? It's time to call Mr. Pavers. Mr. Pavers can transform your backyard into your own personal paradise. You can get outside, enjoy the sunshine, fresh air, and nature in your own private sanctuary. From backyard patios to pool decks, outdoor kitchens and driveways, Mr. Pavers can design and create your dream hardscape. And you'll be surprised at how affordable it is without sacrificing quality. Mr. Pavers is Diamond certified and an ICPI installer. Book a job before the end of the month, and you will receive 20% off. And free demolition. Call Mr. Pavers at 833-MR. Pavers. That's 833-MR. Pavers, or go to MrPavers.com. Make your outdoor spaces comfortable and stylish as your interior with Mr. Pavers. Call right now. 833-MR. Pavers. 833-MR. Pavers, or go to MrPavers.com today. Get out of the house and enjoy all that your beautiful outdoor living space has to offer with Mr. Pavers.
San Francisco Opera is celebrating 100 years in the Bay Area. Join in on November 19th for a one-night-only immersive event, the Traviata Encounter, part opera, part party experience. Verdi's famous La Traviata like never before. Learn more at sfopera.com. Coming up on KCBS, how soon-to-be Twitter owner Elon Musk's layoffs might impact San Francisco.
Well, they finally got the goose egg off the old scoreboard there. Let's check it now at the Bay Area Chevy Dealer Sports Desk, and Joe Hughes talking about the San Jose Sharks.
Yeah, this season has been a long ride on the struggle bus for the San Jose Sharks as they got off to a franchise worst 0-5 start. But last night in New York, they got their first win of the season. They had to do a little extra work to get that done as they beat the Rangers 3-2 in overtime. It was one of their stars, Erik Karlsson, with a game winner less than a minute into that extra period.
Karlsson holds the puck.